bills. Utility bills. Okay, what is meant by utility bills? Can you name some bills? Utility bills. What is meant by utility bills? Aparna?
Ma'am, it is a detailed invoice issued and paid once a month for utility such as electricity, water, telephone,
Yes.
etc.
It is a detailed invoice you will be receiving for the usage of the electricity, water, gas and all. Isn't it? It contains so many details such as the name, connection number, date, due date, how surcharge. It contains all the details. Okay, when we have to pay the address, everything will be there. Okay, now just recall what you have learned yesterday. So, utility bills. So, it is a detailed invoice paid once a month for utilities such as electricity, water, natural gas and telephone, etc. Okay. So, the price is determined by the government authorities. Price is determined by the government authorities. The tariff consists of two parts, fixed charge and variable charge. Fixed charge means it is a part of the bill which the consumer has to pay if he does not using it at all. If you are not using also, we have to pay the fixed charge. Okay. Then surcharge. Surcharge we can categorize it into four types. The first one is fuel surcharge. Fuel surcharge, it is imposed due to the hike in the fuel or coal prices. One thing you have to note down is surcharge will vary from month to month. Fixed charge is constant, it will not change. But surcharge, it will vary every month. Okay, it depends upon the hike in the petrol, fuel cost and all. Peak hour surcharge during the certain period in a day. Okay, if the electricity consumption is more, then the charge we call it as peak hour surcharge. Then AC surcharge. So air conditioners consume more electricity and that charges imposed on this AC we call it as AC surcharge. Then recovery surcharge, it is the difference between the units we consume and the units actually we are receiving. Okay, the difference may be due to the loss of power or power theft. So to overcome this, an extra surcharge will be added with our bill and that is called recovery surcharge. Then service charges. Service charge is otherwise called energy charge or delivery charge. Service charges sometimes it will be included with the fixed charge. Now, how to calculate the electricity bill? Before calculating this electricity bill, we should know some terms related with this. Electricity bills, it is determined by three elements. First one, number of units consumed. What is meant by number of units consumed? Current meter reading minus previous meter reading. If you take the current bill, you can, and okay, all these details will be given there. What is the current meter reading? What is the previous meter reading? Everything will be there. Tariff category, there are two types, is it domestic or commercial? If it is commercial, the cost will be somewhat more. Likewise, what about the kV line used here? Is it less than 2 kV or it is less than 2 to 5? So based on that, the tariff may change and also based on the consumption. The next is fixed charge. Fixed charge. Next is electricity tax. So that and all will be decided by the government. State government will be deciding all the amount. Now how to calculate the electricity bill? So to calculate the electricity bill, first step, calculate the number of units, then calculate the energy charges, then calculate the fixed charge, surcharge and energy tax. When we add all these four things, we will get the electricity bill. It is energy charges plus fixed charges plus surcharge plus energy tax. Okay. So now let's do one problem. Write the question. Write the question. A consumer in North North Delhi consumes 587 units of electricity. A consumer in North consumes 587 units of electricity in a month. 587 units of electricity in a month. He has the connection of 4 kilowatt kW. Okay, he has the connection of 4 kilowatt. Calculate the electricity bill. Calculate the electricity bill of the consumer. Calculate the electricity bill of the consumer if the surcharge is 0.40 per unit for that month. 0.40 per unit for that month. A consumer in North Delhi consumes 587 units of electricity in a month. He has the connection of 4 kV. Calculate the electricity bill of the consumer for that month if the surcharge is 0.40 per unit for that month. Okay. So actually we are given with the slab of Delhi. So that's what the problems will be based on the Delhi location. Okay. Okay, children. So now listen. A consumer in North Delhi consumes 587 units of electricity in a month. So what is the number of units? Number of units, it is given as 587. Then what else is given? He has the connection of 4 kV. So the connection load is 4 kV. Okay. Connection load is 4 kV, 4 kW, kilowatt. Then surcharge is given as rupees 0.40 per unit. Per unit. Here it is given for 1 month, isn't it? For that month we have to calculate. So, in order to find the electricity bill, what is the formula we have learned? This formula, if you are thorough, we can do this one easily. Electricity bill is equal to, what is the formula we have learned? Electricity charges plus fixed charge. Electricity charges plus fixed charge. Then plus surcharge plus energy tax. So we will be calculating one by one. Okay, this is the formula for the electricity bill. Electricity bill is equal to electric charges plus fixed charges plus surcharge plus energy tax. So let's calculate one by one. Okay, so first we are going to calculate the electric charges. First we are going to calculate the energy charge or electric charge. Okay, for that slab we should use. We will be using the slab. Up to this, is it clear, children? Aparna, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we can use that slab. Okay, you write this slab, children. You note down this one. Based on this only we are going to calculate. If you are not copied, copy these two slabs. The tariff plan of Delhi for fixed charge, first box, and the energy charge, second box. Yesterday, did you copy this one or not?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, copy this one. We want this one. Well, for solving the problems, we need this one. For the exam, if the bill is asked, this table will be given. Okay, tariff plan, everything will be given. And, Okay, is it okay?
No, ma'am. 1 second.
1 second.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 1 second, children. So we have to calculate for the energy charge, you have to calculate the fixed charge and electric charge, isn't it? Surcharge. So now look at here. For the fixed charge, what is given? For the fixed charge, okay, in kilowatt per month, if it is less than or equal to 2 kilowatt, it is 20 rupees. If it is 2 to 5 kilowatt, it is 50 rupees per kilowatt, isn't it? So now look at the load line given there. What is the connection load given there? 4 kV, isn't it? Is it 4 kW? 4 kilowatt. So here 4, if it is from 2 to 5, 4 means it will be coming in this category, 2 to 5. For per kilowatt, what is the rupees given here? Rupees 50. So we are using 4 kilowatt line. So what will be the fixed charge? What is the fixed charge?
200.
Yes, 200. Yes, it is 200. How we are getting that 200? Is it okay? It is 50 into 4. You will get rupees 200. Then energy charge according to the slab we have to calculate. We are having 500. We are using 587 units. So for that one, what is given there? For the first 200 units, it is rupees 3. From 201 to 400 units, it is 4.5. 401 to 800, it is 6.5. And we have used, what is the number of units we have used here? 587. 587. So what will be the electric charges here? Energy charges for the first. So it is 587. So first 0 to 200 units, it is 200 into 3, which is rupees 600. And for the next one, 201 to 400, it is rupees. So 201 to 400 means again we will get 200 units, isn't it? Because it is a more than 567 is exceeding this one. So into 4.5. For the next 200 units, it is rupees 4.5. So you will get rupees 900. Then greater than 400. So here it is from 401 to 587. 401 to 587 means number of units we are consuming is 100 and, isn't it? What is how many units we are using here? Is it 187? And for that one the rate is 6.5. So what is the rate? What is the cost? 187 into 6.5. Yes, Aishwarya?
Ma'am, from where did we get this 187?
So you subtract it up to, then okay, actually we have used 587 units. We are dividing that as 0 to 200. The next 200 to next 200 units, this one. So you from 587 you subtract this 400. So what is the remaining units left out? For the next 187 units, it comes in the slab 401 to 400 to 800, isn't it? It comes in that category. Aparna, what is the answer you got, Aparna?
Ma'am, I'm getting it as 186 into 6.5.
186. Now listen, from 401 to 410, how many numbers are there? From 1 to 10, how many numbers are there?
10.
10. Is that no? So likewise here, 401 to 587 means 187 only you will get. Aparna, are you getting, understand? Can you understand?
Yeah,
Up to
yes, ma'am.
400 we are doing. So from the next first unit to 1 to 187. So total you will get 187. It is not 186. Do you understand? So what is 187 into 6.5? Aditya Satyan.
1,200.
Yes, those who have calculated, give the answer. Tomlin?
1,250.
1,215.50. Is or no? So now you add these three. This one is the electric charge. You add these three. You'll get the electric charge. Energy charge. So energy charges is. Okay, so fixed charge we have calculated. Now calculate the energy charge. When you add all those things, it is 5051. So 2715.50. It is rupees 2715.50. It is the energy charge. So the first part we have calculated energy charge. Fixed charge we have calculated. The next thing you have to calculate is surcharge. So surcharge, what is given? In the question it is given. For this month, the surcharge is rupees 0.40. Surcharge is rupees 0.40. So surcharge is 0.40 per unit. 0.40 into the units we are using is 587. So it will be rupees. So what is that? Find out. This is surcharge. Annette? Is it okay, Annette?
Yes, ma'am.
Anila Mohanan?
Two, three, 4.8.
234.8. So the first thing we have calculated, energy charges we have calculated, fixed charge we have calculated, surcharge. Next is energy tax. The fourth thing we have to calculate is energy tax. So energy tax is, what is given about energy tax? So energy tax, okay, we are calculating it for Delhi, isn't it? Energy tax. Okay, look at your children. Energy tax is otherwise called electricity duty. Okay. So it is applied on the usage of electricity and the amount goes to the state government. Some states charge energy tax on the total charges and some states charge per unit of consumption. It is different for different states. For example, look at Delhi. The state government of Delhi charges 5% of the energy tax on the total tariff charge. What is the total tariff? Total tariff is fixed charge plus variable charge. So Delhi government charges 5%. It charges 5% of the total tariff. That is fixed charge plus variable charge. Variable charge means that electric charges you have to add. Okay. And whereas Himachal Pradesh charges 3%, Uttar Pradesh charges 5% and Uttarakhand charges 15% energy tax. Okay. So the next thing is we are going to calculate the energy tax. So what will be the energy tax? Energy tax, it is given as 5% of the total tariff. So which is same as 5% of fixed charge plus energy charge. Fixed charge plus energy charge. That is 5 by 100 of, what is the fixed charge? Fixed charge we are getting as 200 plus energy charge, it is 2915.50. So find out what is 5 by 100 of. So this one will give the energy tax. This is the energy tax.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
energy charge is
Yes.
2,715.
2700. Okay, children. 2715. When you add this 5 by 100 into 2915.50. 2915.50. So what is the energy tax? What is the answer? What is 5 by 100 of 2915.50? Yes?
14.5775.
14.570.
5775.
145.775.
145.775. So you calculate 2915 into 5. Okay. 29155 into 5. 5 5 are 45. So 25, 7, then 7, 10, 14. Is it like this? And how many places you have to shift? 1, 2, here you will get. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? Here. 1, 0 is there. 0. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 145.775. So 775 means, okay. 775. We'll round off and we'll say this is 145.80. 77 paise means it will turn it as 80 rupees. Now add all the amounts. When you add all those things, you will get the electricity bill. So electricity bill is equal to fixed charge plus energy charge. So fixed charge is rupees 200 plus energy charge. What is the energy charge we got here? Which is 2715. Then surcharge. Surcharges. So they have added all the amounts. Energy charge, fixed charge, surcharge. Then energy tax we added. What is surcharge? What is the surcharge we got, children?
234.8.
Okay, what is the amount? What is the electricity bill? What is the amount you are getting? Aditya, Satyan?
3,296.10.
3,296.10. Is it clear, children, how we are calculating the electricity bill? Is it clear? Annette, Tomlin, are you getting this answer? Tomlin, Annette?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Once again, go through this from the beginning, how we are calculating it. Okay. For calculating electricity bill, we need 4 things: fixed charge, energy charge, surcharge, then energy tax. You add all these 4 things, you will get the electricity bill. Okay. So, the same question, children, just go through it. A consumer in North Delhi consumes 587 units of electricity in a month. He has the connection of 4 kW. Calculate the electricity bill of the consumer for that month if the surcharge is rupees 0.440 per unit for that month. So, number of units consumed is 587. Connection load, it is given as 4 kV. Energy charges. Okay, based on the energy charge, we are calculating this. 0 to 20, 3 rupees. What is the amount? 201 to 400, it is unit price is 4.5. So, what is the amount? Then, from 401 to 587, it is this much. So, when you add up, that one will give the energy charge. Then, fixed charge, it is given 4 kW. So, 4 kilowatt. So, 50 into 4, you will get 200. Surcharge, it is 0.40 per unit. You multiply by that one. By number of units, you will get the surcharge. Then energy tax, it is 5% of the total tariff. It is 5% of fixed charge plus energy charge. So, it is 5% of 2915.50. On simplifying, you will get 145.80. What is the electricity bill? You add up all those things, you will get the electricity bill. Just goes through it. Is it clear? Check it. Is it okay? Is it okay for you? Aditya, Satyan, is it okay? Shubham?
Yes.
Shubham, do you understand how to calculate this? Huh? How to calculate the electricity bill? The total tariff, everything will be given. Okay? That and all, no need to learn by heart. If these problems are asked, will be given with all the sufficient data. You have to just calculate. You should know which all the things to be calculated. Is it clear, Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next period we will be continuing with this, and next period we will learn how to calculate the water bill and gas consumption charge and so on. Okay, children, end the session now. Thank you. Okay? Any doubt? Okay.